Morning. Give me some matcha. Good morning. Okay, so y'all, yesterday, remember I was telling y'all how hot it was and how it was like 80 something, almost 90 degrees? Today it's 30. It's cold as hell. Like, what is this? Like, I was melting yesterday and today I'm freezing. Like, this ain't right. This ain't what the Lord is calling for. My crazy self, the sun is behind me. My crazy self put on some short socks because I'm like, oh yeah, it was so warm yesterday. And now my ankles is cold. Like, I'm not pleased. But I'm on my way to my other job. So if you didn't know, I got a whole bunch of jobs. Not a whole bunch, but I got a good amount of jobs. So today, I'm on my way to the school. I work at a school. That's kind of like a tutor, para, assistant teacher kind of situation, which is something I've done for a long time. I was a tutor with the AVID program for a long time at the high school that I went to before I graduated from college. So it's not something that's really new to me. This age group is a little new to me because I was at a high school before, so this is like elementary. But that's where I'm on my way to, and got the freaking cold air on. Turn the warm air on. But I forgot my backpack at work, so I need to grab that first, and then, or at the shop, so I need to grab that first, and then head to the school so I can have stuff to do. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. My matcha, it's I think I don't like that powder. It's a powder that I got from matcha powder that I got from Walmart. And I don't think I like it. I don't know if it's the powder or just my technique. I literally just watched like 2 YouTube videos on how to make matcha like Starbucks, and I did it like they said, but I don't know, it's something about that powder that ain't right. But anywho, yeah, I'm on my way to work. I probably won't show that too much because of course it's the kids there and that ain't your business. So I'm going there. Then I also have to, I've been needing to scratch guard my chair that's on my where my dryer is. So I'm planning to do that too. And I got some appointments this afternoon. So I'm gonna take down some haircuts and stuff. So I'll keep y'all posted, but that's all for now. Peace out. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm back, baby. So I'm just leaving the school. It was just a regular day. Yeah, it was just a regular day, nothing too crazy. I was working on was working on a lot of stuff for my business. That's usually what I do. So I was finishing up editing the yesterday's vlog to put up tomorrow, and then so I've been trying to get my like Google information together since I have like a storefront location now. So it's been a little not difficult, I would say, but just I didn't think it would be so, I don't know, kind of extra to get all the stuff together. But I've been working on that. Yeah, I've been working on that. I don't think I'm probably going to do any property management stuff today because of my time. I'm about to head, I have like an hour before I have to get to the shop. I have some clients this evening, or this afternoon, evening, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty much the rest of my day. I have some shoes that I was selling on eBay, and so those sold, so I need to get those. That's what I'm about to go do right now, get those, get them boxed up. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the post office today. I might, but I'm not sure yet. I might send those out tomorrow, just get them marked as shipped. Luckily for me, somebody who was buying the items there, they bought 2 items to the same address. So technically I don't have to pay for shipping for both of those items, but pay for shipping for both of those items, which is good for me. I can just put them in the same box. But the person is honestly, they should have, when I have situations like that where I want to buy 2 things from the same person, I let them know so they can just, so I don't get charged for double shipping. But oh well, I don't care. Extra money for me. So I'm about to get those packed up and take a little break and then head to the shop. I got a mile today. I'm so tired and I don't know why. Y'all, I've been so tired. I'm about to take a B12 when I get in the house so it can give me a little boost. But yeah, your boy is tired. I'm also trying to get content for like reels and stuff like that to post on my social media. Trying to be more consistent with posting at least something every day, so I can get my engagement and all that stuff up. I swear, you think that working for, I guess I never really thought that, but it seems that way sometimes. Like, oh yeah, I work for myself, like I don't have to answer to nobody, or you be working all the time. It's always something you gotta do. You always gotta keep pushing and pushing and pushing the business, which I mean, it's the same thing you would do if you was working for somebody else, at least. But at least when you're working for somebody else, you can clock out and it don't matter no more. It's over with. You working for yourself, it's ongoing. So just the nature of the beast. This is what I was actually talking to the students. So one of the questions that I have, which I showed y'all, is what is an advantage of being an adult and a disadvantage of being an adult. And I want to know what you would say your advantage of being an adult and disadvantages is. So leave that down in the comments. If you're watching this video, go to the comments and leave what your advantage and / disadvantage is about growing older. For me, my advantage is you have freedom. You can kind of be yourself, be who you want to be, make your own decisions. And then disadvantage, baby, the back, the pain, the strain, the responsibilities, the bills. But yeah, those were some of my responses to them. Because they asked me, oh, what do you think, Mr. B? So what are your advantages / disadvantages for becoming an adult or growing older? But yeah, that's it for now. Got some leftover pizza from Domino's. Put my own toppings and my own cheese on it so it can still be vegan. But vegan tip, if you want pizza that's not homemade, just put your own cheese and your own
vegan meat on there. So, like, oh, you done got me this candle? I appreciate it. He's like, no, sir.
But no, and then chicken with you will tolerate you.
You know why? Oh, I'm really blessed by food. Right.
Or their clientele would be sitting and they'd be staring at me.
Yeah.
And I'd be like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna,
Yeah, right.